Does your day start in chaos? Lunchboxes flying, uniforms missing, the dog barking, and somehow you're expected to keep it all together every single day? It's overwhelming, isn't it? You're trying to juggle everything, and it's not just exhausting, it's unsustainable. Here's the truth. You don't need to do it all. You're not lazy. You're not failing. You're just human. And that's precisely why a house manager isn't a luxury. It's a life changer. It's support. It's relief. It's freedom. It's someone stepping in and saying, "I've got this," so you can finally breathe again. Household organization clutter doesn't just take up space, it drains energy, focus, and peace of mind. A house manager restores order to the chaos. From reorganizing overflowing cupboards to creating functional systems the whole family can follow, they bring calm back into your space. From toy rotation to wardrobe hacks, nothing is overlooked. When everything has a place, peace comes naturally, and it stays that way. You stop wasting time looking for things and start spending more time enjoying your home. Managing appointments and schedules, school events, medical checkups, tradies, work meetings. The modern family schedule is a full-time job in itself. A house manager takes charge of the calendar, syncing schedules, booking appointments, confirming times, and even reminding you when to leave. It's like having a personal assistant for your household. You stay focused on what matters rather than losing time to logistics. Meal planning and preparation. Forget the 5 p.m. panic and drive-through dinners. Your house manager can plan weekly meals tailored to your family's preferences and dietary needs. They shop for fresh ingredients, prepare meals in advance, and even cook when needed. It's not just convenient, it's wholesome and time-saving. You sit down to a meal that was made with care, not chaos. And yes, the kitchen gets cleaned too, laundry and wardrobe management. The laundry pile grows and time shrinks, but not anymore. A house manager handles washing, drying, ironing, folding, and even restocking drawers. Need winter clothes swapped or school uniforms sorted? It's done. No more digging through baskets or hunting for socks. Clothes are ready when you need them. You get dressed and they take care of the rest. Cleaning and maintenance oversight. You walk into a clean home not because you spent your Saturday scrubbing, but because it's been taken care of. A house manager coordinates professional cleaners, handles deep clean schedules, and monitors general upkeep. They'll even notice that leaking tap or the flickering light before you do and get it sorted. It's the little things, quietly handled before they become significant stresses. Shopping and errands. Running out for groceries, picking up dry cleaning, and grabbing school supplies all add up. Your house manager manages these tasks like clockwork. Lists are ticked off, cupboards are stocked, and forgotten items become a thing of the past. Your weekends stay free for what matters most. Connection, not correction. Event and holiday planning. From birthday parties to holidays away, a house manager organises every detail. Venues, catering, guest lists, gifts, travel plans, bookings, and bags packed. All you do is enjoy. They do the heavy lifting, so your celebrations are smooth, stress-free, and fun. Because you deserve to be part of the moment, not behind the scenes of it. Childcare coordination, drop-offs, pick-ups, playdates, tutors, babysitters. A house manager keeps all your childcare logistics in order, making sure your kids are where they need to be, safely and on time. It's the rhythm every busy family needs, and the routine every parent dreams of. Pet care. Our furry friends are part of the family, and they deserve care too. Your house manager handles feeding routines, vet appointments, medications, walks, and even pet sitting when you're away. You enjoy their company, not the chores that come with it, and they stay happy, healthy, and loved. Peace of mind. This is the ultimate benefit. Less stress, less guilt, fewer late nights catching up on housework. A house manager gives you your bandwidth back. They carry the load so that you can reconnect with your family, with yourself, and with what matters most. Life gets lighter, easier, and a whole lot more joyful. These are the moments we live for. But they're so easy to miss when you're buried in chores and chaos. A house manager gives those moments back to you, the ones that matter, the ones that last. You don't need to be supermum. You just need support. If you're ready to reclaim your time, reduce your stress and reconnect with your family, reach out to Clean House Melbourne. Start living lighter today.